Good morning, guys. We have some work to do on our Honda HRR. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up today. It needs some pretty major repairs, so we'll go ahead and get it cleaned up. And that way we can jump into the repairs and work on a clean mower versus something that's nasty. So let's hop into it. So this is what we're working with. This is an older HRR. This is one that is a little more rare to me because it's got the roto stop. Usually you don't see that until you get into the HRXs. But we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. It needs some major transmission work, so we wanna get this cleaned up today so that we can start on that. We're gonna start underneath on the deck, so we'll get this thing flipped over. We've got the gas shut off and it doesn't have a ton of fuel in it. We'll flip it over on the oil drain side. This thing has so much stuff caked up underneath it. It is going to be a bear to clean. We'll start by just spraying it off and rinsing it first, and then we'll jump into our chemical. So we've done the initial blast. There's some stuff that could probably be scraped out of this, but we're gonna go ahead and soak it down with our degreaser, and that'll help everything loosen up, and we'll just let that sit for a few minutes. So this is the fun part. We've actually got some friends over at Super Clean that have sent us some degreaser to check out. This is their new one in an aerosol can. We're gonna put this thing to the test today and get this sprayed on the Mower undercarriage and just let it sit for a few minutes. We're gonna use this with cold water, obviously from our power washer. Let's see how it goes. This is obviously wet right now. We don't want it to completely dry. We'll go ahead and spray this down, let it soak for a minute, and then we'll begin to spray off. It actually has a super nice spray pattern. Get back here in this section too. Okay, so we've let this set for about 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and start rinsing again. So after just one run, you can see how much of that stuff that came off that we couldn't get off on the first spray. So we'll do this one more time and then rinse. The reason I'm using the foam is it sticks really good to the top of this versus any of your sprayers. A lot of times it just wants to drip off. Let's go ahead and spray this off. It's been a couple more minutes now with it just sitting there. We really have made a significant improvement on this deck. There's a few little spots that we can hit again. Now we need to jump to the top. We'll go ahead and rinse it first. Now with the Super Clean, we'll get it on everything but the plastics. We might use it on the front of the wheels, but we don't want to let it sit on those for too long. We'll get all in this area. If we touch the plastics, it's not that big of a deal. We just don't want to soak them. We'll start by rinsing the wheels first. You can see how yellow this thing is. Let's rinse her down. Holy cow. Probably didn't spray quite enough product on these. They're pretty dry. Now for the rest of the deck. Let's do one more coat on these wheels and stuff, because it does such a massive improvement. We'll do a little scrubbing on each one again. So we've had some time for this to dry off, and I just wanted to show you, again, there's still some spots that we definitely could hit again, but we got probably an inch of grass off this thing. It is significantly cleaner, so that's the bottom side. And here is the top side. So this thing came significantly cleaner. It looks really good. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I hope this helps you. If you like more mower content, we've got a ton on the channel for Hondas, rebuilds, cleaning, all of the above. If you found value in this video, please click the subscribe down below and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Guys, we will catch you on the next one.